In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share a file using a QR code in Canva. This is a super useful feature if you want to quickly share designs, documents, presentations, or any Canva file without sending long links. QR codes make sharing fast, clean, and perfect for both digital and print use. If you're a content creator, teacher, business owner, or just someone who uses Canva regularly, this method will save you a lot of time. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into the Canva account where your file is stored. Once you're on the Canva home screen, you'll see all your recent designs and folders. This is where all your files live, so take a moment to locate the design or document you want to share using a QR code. Next, click on the file you want to share. This can be any Canva design, like a poster, presentation, worksheet, or document. Once you click it, the file will open in the Canva editor. Give it a second to fully load so you can access all the sharing options. Now, look toward the top right corner of the Canva editor and click on the Share button. This opens Canva's sharing panel, where you can normally invite people, copy links, or manage permissions. Instead of using the default options, we're going to access more sharing tools. In the Share panel, click on the option that says See All. This expands the menu and shows you additional ways to share your file. Canva includes several advanced sharing features here, and one of them is the QR code generator. Scroll through the options until you find the QR code option, then click on it. This opens the QR code generator inside Canva. This tool allows you to create a scannable QR code that links directly to your file. Now, go up to your web browser's address bar and copy the URL of the Canva file you want to share. Once copied, paste that link into the QR code input field in Canva. After pasting the link, you'll see a preview of the QR code. Double-check that the link is correct so people who scan it can access the right file. When everything looks good, click on Generate QR Code. Canva will instantly create a QR code based on your file link. Once the QR code is generated, click on the Download QR Code option. This will save the QR code image to your device, usually as a PNG file. After downloading, you can now share this QR code anywhere you want. You can add it to printed materials, presentations, emails, websites, or even social media. Anyone who scans the QR code will be taken directly to your Canva file, making file sharing quick and effortless. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a file using a QR code in Canva. This is a simple but powerful feature that can really improve how you share your work. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.